Hi everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel TechnoZara. Today I am going to share with you a future boost token, and it's a future of crypto. It's very amazing, unique, very advanced and impressive. So you must jump on it. Don't waste your time. Don't lose your profit. Yes, it's named Creed. It's Creed token. I will share with you all its features, all details in this video. So please subscribe my channel first of all and press the bell icon so you can easily get my upcoming videos. So we start now. It's Creed token, and it's a very different and very unique. And welcome to Create Future of Crypto. In the great world of crypto, possibilities are limitless. They say that change your respective creed. What we do here at Creed West, we look at making crypto earning simple and easy for all. We arrange simple plans for you to earn a passive income in the crypto world. We have been consistently returning a market leading APY to our loyal holders. If you would like to get your share on one of the world's fastest growing and developing Tron project, contact our friendly team and read the white paper to get more information on how we work. Currently, our largest and main network is on Tron TRX. Yes, currently their system is on Tron TRX. Kindly join their Telegram channel and contact the owner admin for further information and read the pinned message. So first of all, you must follow their social media links. You like them, and then you can easily in touch with them and ask any question and clear your questions, clear your mind. A growing family with joining family members. We are starting a huge family investment, currently role modeling and grayscale and targeting a bigger community. Follow us. They say that Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all the addresses here you can available, and Creed token and CFP token. Yes, there is two different token, both designed to generate passive income for investors. And here you can see social media links: Facebook, Twitter and Instagram available. You must follow their pages and in touch with them. You can easily get their all updates. Now we check out their features. In About Us, we check that in About Us Creed, we are a young team based in Turkey with the idea to manage investment on crypto assets from all over the world to assist customers about building their future plans. What Creed do? We take good care of assets and plan your future. We arrange simple investment plans for you to earn passive income in the crypto world, promising 60% APY on any investment regardless of the amount. If you would like to get your share on the fast growing market, contact our team and read our white paper to get more information on how we work. Here is the Telegram address. You can join their page. More information on Murad Said founder Medium page. Here is their address available, Medium page. You can check out it. Here is the roadmap page. You also can check out it. And here is the PDF white paper. So you can easily check out this. There is what is Creed, how it works, Creed price, Creed token burn. All the details are available, so you can easily read it. Creed dynamic reward system. All the things you can check out it. And here we have CFP Beast dark paper. Here is the PDF of dark paper. You can easily check out it. So next step we have to see. Here is the Trade Creed. Here is the Trade Creed interface. You can see here You can trade on www.bololex.com, a fastly growing platform offering fast and secure trades with multiple pairs and assets. So you can easily check out it, and you can trade through bololex.com, and address is available here. You may trade with TRX, USDT, BTC, BNB, Doge and Bolo pairs to buy Creed. And all the addresses here you can see that Bololex address, all the details are here available, symbols are available. So they say that just swap, you can buy the token on just swap. Here is the just swap address available. You can see here, you can copy it and paste it, and you can easily buy your tokens, and very soon it will be listed on PancakeSwap. But now still you can purchase it on just swap. The next one is, we have Create token. We check out it. Here is the Create token. Our unique token was created for an easier and more secure transaction method on which we build up a fully decentralized system in the crypto world. The investors buy and holds Creed on their personal Tron wallet and Bololex account. Over 500 Creed and Autos receives 5% monthly off on every 5th of each month. Here you can see their graph, Creed, how to track Creed. Here is the addresses. You can join this. Creed builds passive income. Here is the detail about the Creed token. Beast safe. You can read out it, and so you can easily, here they have given the example of returns about Creed deposits. All the things you can here check out it. Create TRC20, it's 29 million supply, and main utility token, farming token, and only assets to buy CFB. CFB TRC20 governance token, and it's 1000 supply. And now we check out the next is Beast CFB token. Beast CFB token. Here you can see Beast arrived 21st of July 2021. Get your greed ready to feed the beast, and already started pounding. $12,284 CFB Beast sold. Currently price 5,710 Creed. The most expensive asset on Tron network. CFB Beast can competition entries. Beast Cave is live. For more information, please read the article from Creed founder. Here is the Medium address available. You can check out it. And CFB token Beast, here they say that CFB is the governance token of the Creed ecosystem, which generates passive income to investors on certain amount from the sales happening in the ecosystem. Currently, Beast holders receive TRX reward 3 times a month. The TRX reward are generated as 15% from Creed sale and 30% from CFB sale. All generated values are collected in Beast pool and distributed to holders on 6th, 16th and 26th of every month. For more information, check dark paper for CFB or visit Telegram. Here is the Telegram address. You can see here available. So you can follow them, and all the updates you can get easily. Beast ranks and rewards. Creed rewards for certain ranks are distributed on 5th of each month. Here you can easily read all the details. And now we check out the team. Murad said, Creed founder, Turkish Istanbul. Here is the Twitter address, and you can easily contact with them. David Coron, Create CEO. Here is the Twitter address and Telegram address available. You can easily contact him. Dan Cole, Create Ambassador. Here is the Twitter address and Telegram address available. Kevin V, and he is the community manager, and he is from he is the Canadian, and his Twitter and Telegram address also available. So it's the introduction of about team, and now we check out their partner. Decentramark, decentralized marketing. At Decentramark we help build communities for the hottest new projects in cryptocurrency using our social media platform. Decentramark has active social media channels on Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Plans to monetize in the near future. Decentramark provides decentralized marketing services in the crypto space, whilst building and nurturing our community to promote any cryptocurrency related project, new token, DApps, airdrops, products. All profit made from monetization, referrals, commission, and sponsorship to Decentramark will be shared with eligible token holders. To help improve our ability to bring you an established, engaged community that will take a genuine interest in your project, we have set out an aggressive roadmap to onboard our social channel, more social channels, increase our engagement with multinational communities, and continually build our community base using our unique community tipping dividend model. Here is the Decentramark social media links, website link, Telegram link, Twitter link. All the links are available. Here is the partnership: Bololex, JustSwap, and SBIT, and the Coin Breaking, Coin Codex, CoinCheckup.com, and CoinSniper.net, and Coin Paprika, and Nomics. These are the partnership, their partners. And next is the Create project. We check out it. Create, be a part of the history, create energy and cheap and safe. The program aims to provide cheap and safe energy for Tron users to enjoy their transaction on a 70% discount cost. The process happens in a manual contract on official Telegram by providing info to team, and without providing or interacting any smart contract, the energy is sent to you. The system offers safe option on renting Tron energy by means of not interacting with your own wallet. For more information, please join their Telegram. And here is the Road Madness details. You can check out it. Hold one create for the following. So now I will so friends, here you can see their Road Madness. Hold one create for the following, and here is the detail about the rewards, about the its sale purchase. 100k TRX minus 1000 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5000 TRX, and 5000 if you have 500k TRX, then it's minus 5000 multiplied by 5, it's equal to 25,000 TRX. Hold, if you hold the 500 create X for the following, then 1 million TRX minus 10,000 TRX multiplied by 6, and it is equal to 60,000 TRX. And if you hold 10 million TRX, then it's minus 30,000 TRX multiplied by 100, So then equal to 3 lakh TRX, and 100 million TRX if hold, then minus 1 lakh TRX multiplied by 30, so it's 3 million TRX, and hold 250 create X for the following: 500 M TRX minus 150 15, it's 150, it's the 000 TRX multiplied by 50, it's 75 00 TRX, and next one is end game event, and it's 1.3 billion TRX minus 5 lakh TRX multiplied by 60, and is equal to 30 billion TRX. So it's the detail about, you can check out it about the winners: 200 million TRX, 5 lakh TRX multiplied by 1 winner, and 300 million TRX multiplied by 6 lakh 6 lakh TRX multiplied by, and it's multiplied by 1 winner, and it's all about the rewards. So they said that all prize will only be distributed if the goal is reached. It's depend on their goal. If the goal is reached, then all the the prizes will be distributed. To take part, you must buy and hold the Creed X level required during each snapshot, and holding multiples grant multiple chances. Road madness event during the period of accumulation. Upon reaching certainly liquidity goals stated above, there will be draws to reward people holding Creed X. Total 65 million TRX will be distributed when the goals are achieved. And it's about the Creed X VEP20. Creed X will be traded on PancakeSwap starting from 25th October 2021. Yes, it will be on PancakeSwap 25th of October, and address is available here, currently listed on Just Many exchange, and its address available. The contract address for Just Swap available here. Join Telegram and you may follow Creed X price, so you can easily check out it. And here is the PDF, you can read it about all the details. Creed TRX tokenomics about. Here we have the tokenomics. Here you can check out it, all the details. Creed TRX pre-sale, and here is the details about TRX plan, Creed plan, Creed concept and goals. So you can easily read out it and get information about the whole project. Now we check out the Creed project. We have just check out it, and the next one is Just Money Swap. Here you can see it's the interface of Just Money Swap. Currently you can purchase tokens from here and connect wallet, and you have TRX, so you can easily purchase the token from here. Okay, now I will tell you the main points of about this token, that there are road madness rewards in Creed X, and when the main liquidity for Creed X pairs TRX pair reaches a certain level, they will take a snapshot and distribute the following rewards very soon, and it will be listed on PancakeSwap, so you can easily purchase it. But now at just money exchange you can purchase it. The first multi-chain swap with full support for tax token. All prizes will only be distributed if the goal is reached, and to take a part, you must buy and hold the creed levels required during each snapshot. Holding multiples grant multiple chances. Pre-sale buyers will participate in draw according to the purchase amount, and according to their purchased amount, and creed will be free asset on March 2022. We they said that we won't govern it after that. And CFB has TRX divs for holding 340 USDT, each paying around 20 to 30 USDT a month. So these are the all the details about this token, and you must purchase it, and it's very profitable in future and very amazing token. So don't waste your time. All the details, all the social media links I will mention in the description. You can easily check out it, and you can easily get there from description, so you can follow their pages and in touch with them, so you can easily get your all the information and updates about this token. And it's very different and very amazing. So I hope you like the video. So till my next video, take care, bye.